Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not the familiar glow of the Milky Way but an entirely different cosmic landscape, strange constellations, unfamiliar star clusters, and perhaps even the luminous swirl of another galaxy stretching across the darkness. What if Earth wasn't nestled in the Milky Way but somewhere far beyond, in a completely different galaxy? How would that change our planet, our solar system, and even life itself? The answer isn't just about a different view, it's about how the very fabric of our existence would shift in ways we can barely imagine. Galaxies are more than just collections of stars, they are vast, dynamic environments that shape everything within them. The Milky Way, our home, is a barred spiral galaxy, one of billions in the universe, each with its own structure, density, and history. If Earth were in a different galaxy, the first and most obvious change would be the night sky. In the Milky Way, we see a hazy band of light, the combined glow of countless stars in our galactic plane. But in another galaxy, that view could be unrecognizable. If we were in the Andromeda galaxy, for instance, the sky would be even more crowded with stars. As Andromeda is larger and denser than the Milky Way, the constellations we know, Orion, Ursa Major, the Southern Cross, wouldn't exist. Instead, we'd see entirely new patterns, shaped by the unique arrangement of stars in our new galactic home. But the differences go far deeper than just the stars we see. The type of galaxy Earth was in would determine whether life could even exist here. Galaxies vary wildly in their environment. Some are chaotic and violent, while others are quiet and sparse. If Earth were in the heart of a giant elliptical galaxy, where stars are packed tightly together, our planet would face constant threats. Nearby supernovae, gamma-ray bursts, and wandering black holes could strip away our atmosphere or bathe the surface in deadly radiation. On the other hand, if we were in a small, isolated dwarf galaxy, the night sky might be far emptier, with fewer stars and fewer of the heavy elements necessary for rocky planets and life. The position of our solar system within a galaxy also matters. In the Milky Way, we're situated in a relatively calm region, about halfway between the crowded center and the sparse outer edges. This gives us stability. Our planetary orbits remain undisturbed, and we're far enough from the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's core to avoid its destructive pull. But in another galaxy, our solar system's location could be far more precarious. Too close to the center, and gravitational forces might fling planets out of orbit or send comets and asteroids hurtling toward us. Too far out, and we might be more vulnerable to collisions with other galaxies or wandering intergalactic stars. Then there's the question of time. The Milky Way is about 13.6 billion years old, giving it plenty of time to produce multiple generations of stars, planets, and the elements needed for life. But not all galaxies age the same way. Some, like those in dense galaxy clusters, evolved quickly, their stars burning out long ago. If Earth were in one of these ancient galaxies, the universe around us might be darker, with fewer young stars and fewer chances for life to arise. On the other hand, if we were in a younger galaxy, still rich with star-forming gas and dust, our solar system might be surrounded by newborn stars, some of which could host their own planets and perhaps even other civilizations. What if our galaxy was colliding with another? Right now, the Milky Way is on a slow-motion collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, an event that will reshape both galaxies billions of years from now. But if Earth were already a galaxy undergoing a merger, the night sky would be a spectacle of chaos and creation, new stars igniting, old ones dying in brilliant supernovae, and the very structure of the galaxy shifting around us. While such an event would be breathtaking to witness, it could also bring danger. Increased radiation, gravitational disruptions, and the chance of nearby stellar explosions could make survival difficult for any life on Earth. And what about the possibility of alien life? The Milky Way is home to billions of planets, many of which could be habitable. But other galaxies might have even more or far fewer. Some galaxies, especially those with frequent supernovae or intense radiation, might be nearly sterile, while others could be teeming with life far older and more advanced than our own. If Earth were in a galaxy where life was common, humanity might not be alone. We might have already made contact with other civilizations or even be part of a vast interstellar community. But if we were in a galaxy where life was exceptionally rare, the universe would feel far lonelier. Finally, consider how our understanding of the cosmos would change. Nearly everything we know about astronomy is based on our perspective from the Milky Way. The distances we measure, the laws of physics we've deduced, Even the way we perceive time and space, all of it is shaped by our place in this galaxy. If we were in a different galaxy, our entire scientific framework might look nothing like it does today. Would we still have discovered gravity? Would we even have the same concept of a universe? The answers might be completely different. So, is the Milky Way the best possible home for Earth, or would another galaxy offer a better or worse environment for life? The truth is, we may never know for sure, but one thing is certain. If Earth were in a different galaxy, everything from the stars above us to the ground beneath our feet would be part of a story unlike anything we ever known. And that's a story worth exploring, even if only in our imaginations.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.